how to make glasses in Blender from this to this. So let's get straight into it. We get in our Blender app. It's free. You can if you want me to show you how to download it, please comment down below. So what we do here is to delete the default objects. Press A to select all, then X to delete, right? Then we go to our side view. Perfect 90 degree angle, 80. That's what we're going to be working with for a perfect modeling. So now let's add in our reference. A reference is something that we're going to be drawing from. So shift A to shift A, then you go to image. After image, you go to reference to import the picture of the glasses, right? Alright, this is the image that we're gonna be taking the glasses from. Get a mesh. So shift A to go to mesh, and then we go get a plane mesh. And then we go to change from object mode to edit mode. Then when we get to edit mode with our plane selected, we scale it to the center of the frames that we have, right? Center it properly on the first. Just put it on the center. This is the center of the nice. We scale it properly, right on the center of the frames. There we go, right? So now we wanna kill two birds with one stone. So what we do, we introduce what we call a mirror modifier, so that the things that we're gonna be doing to the left also automatically happens to the right side of the glasses. So how to do this is to go on this plane, press Control R to have that in between, so you can cut it on half, right? And then we delete the other side of the face that we're not gonna be modeling. So this is gonna be the mirror side of the things that we're gonna be doing on the right side, right? So we delete face, and then we press this face. We go to object mode, and then we go to modifier, add modifier. From generate modifier, go to mirror, and then let's go into the Y, and then this is how it looks. Let's go back to our edit mode. This is how it looks now. So now we are starting to model following along the glasses, the frames. Yes, so now this is how we start to do it. We select the select mode. We turn it to vertices, right? So it's gonna be easy for us to like kind of drag, and so you're gonna be playing around this area right here. So I think let's extrude. No, I press this, and we extrude. As you can see, the time that we modeling this side, the other side is being modeled as well. So then you start shaping our object. You have to put something here. Just make sure we can see. We come here so that we can see through our plane, so that we don't miss any. Right, let's put it down. Let's go press E to extrude until right here. Press Control R. Okay, this looks proper. Just have to align everything. Yeah, so here we kind of just play around it. We just play along with the just to make sure everything is aligned. The plane is aligning with the frame that we have on the that is shown, and yeah, we just kind of go and just make sure everything. Your plane is in four, like is in quadrilateral, which means four, I think. Just make sure it has four sides. If it has three, five, six, it won't come out proper. It's gonna give you problems at the end. So making sure that your shape, your plane, every face has four sides. There's one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four. I'm gonna explain it. You're gonna see it later, and it's gonna make sense at the end. And now just kind of and make sure that you lower as much as topology as possible, because it's gonna mix you again in the future. So just make sure that everything is kind of low. So we kind of keeping it just a single. So I think we're gonna want to add yeah, okay, we added this one. Let's go down with this one. Let's go down with the other one. Extrude until here. Control R to put more edges. Then we shape our shape to be as nice as possible. Okay, right here too. Something like this. We keep on extruding until the whole shape is done. The whole shape is done. Let's do here too. Let's work with this side again. Press edges, we extrude it to the, I think here is fine. We put edges along, and then we start shaping this. Take it down, come here, take it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. This, take it down. Yeah, this is the way. Take it on the middle. Take it here. Yeah, then. Okay, something like this. Keep on with the edges. Come here. So as you can see, guys, it's kind of flowing. Like your topology must flow. So if I click this box right here, let me go to faces. If I click this face, it goes along until the end. If I click the other face, it's gone. Then I click this one, goes down. So you must keep the edge flow perfect. The topology must look nice, so that when you add like subdivision modifiers, it won't mess up your shape. It's gonna look nice and proper, and nothing will go wrong. So let's keep on. Let's go with the other side too. Let's try and extrude this other sides. Press shift to select, E to extrude. until I think here. Let's put on some edge loops inside so that you can be able to press vertices and start moving everything accordingly. This right here, this is correct. As you can see, the mirror modifier works nice and perfect. Everything that we're doing this side is working the other side. All you just have to focus is this side where your shape is, so that the other side can be correct too. You know what matters is the dimensions, or if the other side is correct, the other side has to be correct too. And the other thing, guys, as you can notice, the glasses are not as straight as they're supposed to be, because it's like it's taken from a picture. So we just have to see on our own if something needs to be adjusted and stuff like that. Let me take it back here. And here, let's merge this at the center like this. Just put it here. So now this is what we have. So take, select, extrude until right here. One edge loop in between. Select vertices. So we want to join, so making sure that making sure that what we have here is what we're gonna have on top, so that we can join it perfectly. We don't have to have more of the boxes or less. That's what I was saying, that it's better to have less topology than have many, because of these kind of situations where now you have to join and now you're gonna start again. So having like less topology, it's gonna be easy for you to navigate on how you're gonna join, how you're gonna do certain things and go about it. So I think with this one, let's put it here. Let's put it this side. As you can see, we've got let's put it down a bit, because it's gonna lose shape. So now it's gonna be easy for us to join here. As you can see, there's nothing much going on. We come, we go to edge loop, select this, we press F, same here, we press F, and then you see, as you guys can see, let's select just to test it. As you guys can see, we press this one, it's gonna go right around, right? Now we're here. Let's remove this one. We come here, as you can see, guys, this we already have our glasses. The frame is already done. As you can see, the frame is already done. Now it's time for us to do the ears. I don't know how you call the ears, the ones that goes at the back, but it's time for us to do those ones. So with this one, the picture that we have don't actually have them. As you can see, we cannot like model them as on the picture, so it's best for us now to use our own brains to model these things. Let's lift these things up, Shift A to come out with a plane, scale it, right? It's gonna be easy for us to be in the center of this thing right here. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down until here. Okay. Let's go back to edit mode. Let's select these edges right here. 1, 2, and let's extrude. Let's extrude them along the x-axis. Right. I don't know how big it should be. I think this one is fine. Extrude right here. Let's extrude right again. Let's extrude it right here. Scale it into here. We need to make like some kind of a design. As you guys can see, this is what we have. Come here and then select. Okay, until maybe right here. So maybe right here. Let's put something right here. Lift this one right here. So now we're just kind of designing the glasses, right? Here, this way, we're gonna want to put our label. Let's lift this one up, take it down. So now we're just freestyling, guys. We're just freestyling with the glasses to the point where so this is where I wanna put my logo and everything. Let's just put this one a bit down, put this one a bit down too. Okay, so yeah, we're done with the glasses to modify and everything. We're done with it, as you guys can see. Glasses, let's make the glasses inside. Let's create the glasses, right? Come here, let's select. Let's press Shift D. Let's press P, selection. Go to object. Come here to plane 1, plane 2. F2 to rename it. Let's say glasses. These are the glasses. Glasses, okay. Plane 1, F2. This is the frame. This is the frame, and then yeah. Let's go to glasses. Come here, press edit, select the glasses. Let's glasses. Where's the glasses? This A and F to fill. So you guys can see F to fill. Go to frame, media modifier. We apply. Now it's applied to the glasses. Let's go to edit mode. So now it's time to give it thickness. So with the thickness, we can add a solidify modifier, but I don't think here it's gonna work. It's gonna give us problems. So what we do, we extrude along the normal. So how to do this? We press Alt E. No, we press and then Alt E, extrude along the normals. I think. Let's see from here. Okay. All right. This looks nice. This looks proper. So now I've given it thickness. I think the glasses should go a little bit inside. Let's go to glasses, edit. Just kind of give them like an inside in the frames. And here's proper. So now we add a subdivision modifier to the glasses. And then that's how they look. They kind of look nice. Kind of look nice. Let's go to edit mode. Start shaping them in the form that we want. Let's push. Don't wanna give it too much of, you know, like the edges mustn't be too sharp. The edges mustn't be too sharp. Same with this side. Let's go to object mode and see if it has shaped the glasses to how we want it to look. Edit mode. Shift it into here. Let's not give it too much of these edges. Same here. Go to object mode and voila. You wanna give here, you see right here on the frame, kinda wanna give it like a nose. If you guys know what I'm talking about. There's a nose that comes here. like this. There's a shape, so go to frame, let's select, I think right here is fine, pull it, okay, let's save this, put everything here too. Okay, everything is going well, guys. You guys can see everything is going proper, and yeah, I think we're done with the modeling. As you guys can see, I think we need to put my signature name. So how you do this is you put in a text, Shift A, and then you go down to text. You find text, guys. You can see it. Okay, Shift A. From Shift A, you go to text. Then here's the text gonna appear right here. Let's put it up a bit so that we can see. So press escape. No, you go to edit mode so that we can edit the text to write whatever you wanna write. So I'm gonna put VVS, and then it looks nice. Go back to object mode. We go to data. Data is gonna choose the fonts, everything. We're gonna go to geography so that we can extrude it. It has to be a bit, just give it a bit of thickness, right? I don't know, it kind of looks a little bit big. Let's rotate along, let's say 90 degrees. It says Z, let's give it again 90 degrees. Let's give it 90 degrees as well. Let's see one. Let's get it to 180 degrees so that we can take it to our classes right here. Let's scale it, right? It has to be inside. So let's select, let's convert to mesh, then we add in so let's Control S, let's save, because adding modifiers when you're doing this thing, sometimes it crashes, so you have to save it so that you can, when it crashes, you can still go back to the project and still work on it, you know. I really wanted this part here, you know. Save over the side. We add in remesh. Let's lower the remesh. Let's lower it. Shade smooth. Come here to the glasses. Shade smooth. These glasses look smooth as crazy. Control S to save. It's time for us to shade. To shade right. Let's press T. And to remove everything, this is where our glasses is gonna be. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, let me put myself to the side. Change this to shader editor. From shader editor, so this side is gonna be our render view port. Then we render viewport. From render viewport, we change our settings from EV to cycles. If you guys have a graphics card, that's to your advantage. You change from CPU to GPU. It helps like with the fast rendering and stuff like that. Then the other thing we need to change is our environmental texture. We go to world, we come right just here, or what we do is we go to world, background, environmental texture, right? We press open. Then we go, we've got a different lot of environmental textures. Some of them you can see it in Blender, some of them you can find on HDR. This one looks nice. This is how it looks, right? And then from here we go back from world view to object so that we can start coloring our glasses here. Then we press new and put my face this other side. Press new, change, let's make it let's make it black. I love black. Black is my favorite color. Black, so that it can be a bit shiny. Let's reduce the roughness, not too much. Increase the metallic. Okay. I think our logo is a bit too big. Let's make it small. We go to glasses, we press new. From new we delete, press X, and then Shift A to add a glass. how it looks, guys. I like to make it a little bit orange in the inside. Let's give it this orange. This is something cool, you know, something cool with these things right here. Let's go to my lights, new. Let's give it again something. Let's make it a little bit gold. No, not gold, not this color. Let's give it something like that. Something like this. Okay, for me it's looking proper, it's looking nice, not looking bad at all. What do we need? Just to play with the environment. Let's bring this down to dark, right? So you can have this. Could be as dark as possible. I like to put let's put another background so that we don't see the other stuff back there. Let's put a plane, rotate it to 90 degrees. No, on y-axis. Let's do 0. Happened. Okay. Let's take the back. Let's take it back right here. Take to 90. Let's scale it. Depending with where our camera is gonna be, right? Shift A, let's add in our camera. Come to camera. Let's locate. This is where our glasses. This is where our glasses are. Okay. See on the camera how it looks over here. Rotate so that this. Take the wall. Just put the transparent inside, so it can be transparent. Decrease the roughness. Just need the lights. From here, let's take the floor. I need to make it black. I need to decrease the roughness too. Like this. Right. I need more. This is too low. Punch it up a bit. Okay. Add in Shift A. Let's add in area lights. Now let's add in area lights. I need this to be as shiny as possible. Sonic level. Bump this. Decrease the roughness. Like this. And I don't know about the glasses, but I think they're good. And yeah, this is how the glasses look. And then thanks guys for watching the video. This is Pete, and make sure guys like, comment, share, subscribe. And this is how the glasses look. Yeah, as if you guys want to save, you can save them, but this is how they look. As you guys can see, these are the glasses. Nice, shiny and everything. I like this angle more.